11 o'clock here in the morning. So I'm here to allow myself to be on the stage of this position of my asking favor to Comelec, the matter of giving me time to dictate what the world is talking to me. That's what Chairman Brillantes is talking with me with no talk. Just a spirit talking here. My share, my shared, my shared part here is to answer the question of the holiday. The question there is basically, the question is what you campaign here? I'm sorry, that's not relevancy. Because we have all the world surveillance camera here. What the other term for Comelec need to comply with? I think it's a matter of supposing forced to write my account to all the world here. For the world here, I counter them to all of us here on this earth or this planet. To view or skip this matter of nothing for God there. This is not escape, this is a escape. Because escaping is like talking to the presence of us as nothing. So I'm escaping here. What may matter to view me from people? Now it's a matter of the face of God to view from mirror. What you see on your face is the face you see in heaven. That's only easy way to access the world with this when following me here. So I regard this topic to also with leadership of king of all kings. Because all people have soul, and all animals have soul. You can eat a cultured meat. That's matter. But when the soul is what matter here is following you to conscience, it's negative. That's why I'm talking about the law here, universal law. I'm talking here love only. Love. Love dictates all, rule all, accept all, and move to God all. That's the heart of love. So I better to speak again the other day, this coming skip day to Friday like that. Friday I think. Wednesday no. Friday. So thank you, and the falling words of God will accompany us to this destiny, eternal life. Thank you.